Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to measure a milliampere. That's milliampere current using a digital multimeter. If you want to see how much current your circuit is drawing now, this is the easiest way to find out. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here you can see the picture in here. This is the very clear picture in here. This is the multimeter sensor in here, looking so 217. The showing the millivolt. Yes, it's close to the circuit. So yes, I just opened the internal circuit of the cover of this the prominent meter. You can see. First of all, before going to the milliampere meter current measuring, so I want to understand to you so how the wire is connected in here the circuit. This is the feedback connections. You can see this is the this is the sensor connections, ORP sensor connections, and red and green, this one is the feedback signal meter to the control panel. This is the 4 to 20 milliampere connections, you can see, and this is the power connections. Okay, you can see this is the very simple. So here is showing 230. Okay, now here is showing also the 230. The similar, the ORP, now the disable conditions, the similar, the prominent meter and the display, the PLC and the HMI, and showing the similar millivolt. You can see the similar millivolt is showing in here. So here is showing 212 and here is also the 212. So what is the milliampere for the ORP sensor right now? So how I measure this milliampere? This sensor connection is here. You can see that this is the PLC connections. The connection is given in that cable. I'll just finger turn out the cable. And this is the connection. This is the multimeter. You can see how I just put it with connection cable. So this is the black and yellow. The black is connected for the common port to the multimeter, and as yellow is connection for the measurement point. This is the milliampere point. You can see black for the common. I need to series the circuit because you can see if you connect your meter correctly, it will be the short circuit or the fuse is blown out, so damage your components. So be careful. You can see I just connect the circuit, the black to the red. Current is always measured in the series with the series circuit, not light the voltage. So you can see the second portion. I'm just connecting yellow to the series connection to the connection point and connector point. You can see this is very clearly mentioned in here. Okay, this is the multimeter, just another power on. It's simple once you want to know the right stage. If the video, you can see this is the showing 7.45, 7.48. That means this is the milliampere drawn for 212, and you can see this is the 7.47 volt. So that is the 212 millivolt equal to that voltage. Okay, so it's very simple once you know the right steps. If the video helped you, give it the thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more electrical tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay safe, keep learning.